Hi, and welcome to another Inqqa how-to video. Inqqa AI has been designed to help you as a professional connect the dots in employee and market research. So today we want to show you what the difference is between cloning a project from source and cloning a project directly from a project. These are two functionalities which you find in your main Inqqa project overview screen, and they they look the same, but they do something different, and it's important to notice the difference because we expect that will help you in your analysis. So this is a project I've opened. This is a finished version, and this is one which is empty. So let's start with creating a new project from the source. You will find that functionality under this button, and if I click it, you will basically get the same screen as you would if you would upload a new file. So let's just rename this number 2, create the new file, and this will bring you to the same flow when you upload your file directly from the upload file functionality. So this in the background is exactly what will happen. The stored file will be reused to reload it completely from scratch. So I can make a selection. This immediately showcases that if you would have multiple open text columns here, that you can select another one and you will find it back under the same file name but as a different project. So let's continue to ingest. Let's give it some time to process. There we go. So I won't do anything to the file, just go to Explore. And there we go. So if I open the project, it's important to realize that Inqqa has been designed to make navigation through your data easy, intuitive and quick. So everything you see is the effect of a process. So from scratch, the data is organized and categorized as such, but if I make certain changes, either I remove something or I give something a label, this has an effect on the categorization of your data and the way you navigate it. So this is where the difference between cloning and starting a new project from source comes into place. So if I would, for instance, remove some of the data, so something like the I don't know, no idea kind of sentences, I will throw them out just as an example. These are the ones. Let's just remove them and show you what happens. So now my data has been reorganized, reclustered in this visualization to make navigation more easy based on the decisions I've already made. So now let's remove this one as well. So now I have a screen which is cleared of some of the phrases which do not add much to my analysis. So if I would go back to my manage projects, and I see this is my file, and I will clone it, you will notice that if I open it, that I will have the same view as I had earlier. So the non-existing phrases are gone. If I was to create a new file from source, I would get the file I had at the starting of my upload. So this basically works the same if I was to reuse a project which I've already finished. So here I've made some decisions, I've labeled some stuff, I've organized some stuff, and this has had an effect on the categorization of my data. So if I was to clone this project, I will get the same screen here, and I can remove the labels and start working again, but then it would have already been organized in the way where I have assigned the labels in this project. So let me show you how that works. Let's clone this project. There we go. This is my clone, and you see it looks like the one I had earlier, but if I reset this one, remove all the labels, the organization of the data is still the same, and it's different from the one I started from source, because I have already made some decisions here in organizing my data. It has just removed the labels now. It's important for you to realize this difference, because we think it's very important that if you work with Inqqa, the processes you undertake are repeatable and transparent, so you will have the same results every time you use the tool in the same way. If you make other decisions, obviously the results can be slightly different, but it's important for us to have a process which is repeatable and transparent for all of our users. So we hope this has helped you. You know now what the difference is between starting a project from the source or cloning a project where you have already done some work in. I hope this will help. If you have any questions, please let us know. Do reach out to us. We're always available to answer your questions. Have a nice day.